Smile. I got it. She says I am the one. That is not sure.
Spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Give me some skin. Boom! That's so cool. I love this. That's beautiful. Go touch the balls.
I don't touch it.
Touch the balls.
No.
It's good luck. Dude, this is magical. Okay. A little creepy. Where are we honking at? It's snowing. It's beautiful. I love this city. Cool. Love it. JW. Aww. This is Johnny's heaven.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys in business suits. You know who he is?
No, he's died. He's 1982.
He's got a bird on his shoulder. I can't read that.
You think it's pretty damn dangerous.
When I came in, I was like, hopefully it's not too like clouded. We don't see anything. So. Yeah.
And the dogs, I mean.
soccer on the steps of the Met. Oh.
If it's $1 a bite, that's okay. $1, 1 bite. Welcome to New York.
Cookies and cream. We at the Today Show.
It's called Source Code, and it recounts his childhood, the early days of his career.
He's talking, he doesn't want to be rude.
Thank you. I
Good
love
morning.
it.
Hello, how are you doing? Thank you so much. Absolutely.
Tell me your name.
Gracie.
Gracie.
Yes, ma'am. Here, get your phone. Yeah, get it ready. Perfect. Come back. Dang it, we lost it. Woo! Yeah! Oh, we might be? Okay.